Hi, this is Boris Schlossberg, and the biggest story in the currency market today is the Canadian dollar, which is now making fresh new highs as we close for trade in New York trade. As oil is spiking to multi-month highs, the Canadian dollar is certainly getting the benefit of that move, but it's actually been really strong over the last month after bottoming out at the 76-cent level. One of the key issues of why the Canadian dollar is so strong is because the market is feeling a tremendous amount of relief over the NAFTA negotiations. Although President Trump has threatened to really cut off NAFTA and basically abandon the agreement, it doesn't look like that's going to happen. It looks like they're going to come to terms sooner rather than later. And the market is certainly feeling much more confident that most of the key NAFTA provisions will be preserved, thus allowing the Canadian economy to essentially transact with us more or less tariff-free. That's very, very good news for the Canadian dollar, and it's seeing a huge relief because of that. But in addition to this, we're also seeing better than expected economic data out of Canada. Last week, the Canadian labor market created 83,000 fresh new full-time jobs. That was a tremendously strong number, much better than expected, and suggests that despite all of the turbulence, the Canadian economy continues to operate and fire on all cylinders. Add to that the fact that oil is now at multi-month highs as everyone is afraid over the prospect of further tensions in Syria and perhaps some sort of disruption with Iran. That only creates more benefit for the loonie as we go forward. So all in all, it looks like the loonie is headed towards the 80-cent level over the near term as it feels both the love from the relief of the NAFTA negotiations and the tailwind from very strong oil prices. This is Boris Schlossberg, and that's the biggest story in the currency market today.